What's up, mi gente? This is Jackie with Bronx Baubles, and I'm bringing you another exciting video. This video was a request from one of my subscribers who wanted me to bring on different new and exciting artists. And so this was a new artist that I recently discovered on Instagram, and I fell in love with herself so much so that I actually saved up my money and I purchased one of the items that I had been coveting that was out of stock, that came back on stock, and I took advantage and purchased it. And I want to do an unboxing with you. And her name is Justine Ménard. Justine Ménard is a rising artist who not only does jewelry, but she also designs for housewares and sculptures. And she is a French artist that resides in Barcelona, Spain. So I'm so excited because this package came in a couple of days ago, and I haven't had an opportunity to open it up because I wanted to do the unboxing with you. I have to be incredibly careful with this because this is fragile, just like the box says. It's fragile. I'm so excited about this, I can't tell you. And what I did was I gave some of my jewelry, stuff that I really don't need or want, to a friend who is a vendor, and he was gracious enough to sell some jewelry for me. And with that money, I paid for one beautiful, outstanding pieces, which is from Justine Ménard. So let's open this up together. So this is a note that she left inside. It says, "Thank you so much. Hope you will like it." Oh, Justine, I'm sure I'm going to do more than just like it. I'm going to love it. So this is what it looks like. I haven't opened it up. I don't even know what it looks like. I'm not even sure of the size of it. So I'm so nervous. It comes in this packaging. And let's hurry up and get to it real quick. Oh my gosh. More packaging. Oh my gosh, people. Look at this. Look. OMG. Oh my gosh, I have to be so careful. It is beautiful. This is hand blown and handmade by Justine Ménard in the factory in Barcelona, Spain. This is called a Nefili brooch. Nefili is from the Greek mythology for nymphs. They are nymphs of the rain, and I think it's very, very appropriately named. This, as you can imagine, is a cloud, right? And look at the bubbles on the cloud. All hand blown. Look at the side. Oh my God, it's so delicate, so beautiful. Oh geez, I'm so scared. I'm gonna break it. No, I'm not. I'm not putting that out in the universe. And then here are raindrops coming from the cloud. And this is incredibly delicate, but I'm sure when you put it on, it's going to look fantastic. I already know what I'm gonna wear this with. I have a black cashmere dress that I purchased in the thrift store for like under 30 bucks. It's so beautiful. This is gonna look fabulous on it. If you can see here, this is a little hole that she uses to hand blow this piece. It is quite expensive, and like I said, I had to sell some jewelry in order for me to acquire it, but I don't mind doing that because I don't really sell jewelry, but I wanted this piece so badly and it was back in stock. I knew the only way I would acquire it is by getting rid of some of the pieces that are lesser quality that I really didn't care so much about, to buy a piece that I am in absolute awe and in love over. The back, let me show you what the back looks like. This is 925, so this is sterling silver back here. incredible. Again, you can see the hand-blown glass. It's in the shape of clouds. This is a very ethereal look. It looks to me like it's bringing the sky from above and capturing it in a solid piece of glass that's so ethereal, so ephemeral. It's incredibly beautiful. What do you guys think? Would you invest in a piece like this? Use this borosilicate glass to make these pieces. And no two pieces are alike because it's handmade, because it's hand blown. When she's making these, no two pieces are gonna look exactly alike. So everything is sort of almost a one of a kind, one off. And that's what makes it very, very special. These are the type of pieces that do end up in museums, that get put into collections and coveted for years to come and enjoyed, like I will with this piece right here. It almost also gives off a pool of water frozen in time. And this here is the raindrops, the droplets. So it's very much water, symbolizes water. And I'm a Scorpio, and Scorpios are a water sign, and we're very, very much attracted to anything related to water. And I think that is what appealed to me about this piece, that it resembles and symbolizes water. And I love the ocean, I love rain, I love anything that is related to water. So this is right up my speed. So let's see if I could, what's the best way to show you what this thing looks like. So Nefili is the design of this. Go on her website, JustineMénard.com, and you're going to see other pieces in this collection. But she came out with a new collection that is just as beautiful. This happens to be my favorite. And she also does housewares, so check the housewares out as well. And look how big it is, just to give you a perspective as far as this is not for the faint of heart. It's quite expensive, but again, I sold pieces of jewelry that I didn't need or want from my collection just to have this piece. I think it's definitely worth it, because these are the type of pieces that are inheritance, that are unique, that can get donated to museums, that can get passed down as inheritance. That's what I see this as. This is to me an investment piece. The way that Justine describes her artwork, her jewelry, is poetry in glass. I think that's a great way to describe these pieces. Poetry in glass. They're not mass produced. They are one of a kind. They are very, very special. And for me, this is wearable art. You're gonna get stopped and asked about this piece. So my friends, this is my unboxing of a new artist that I just discovered. And let me know if you love this piece as much as I do, if you're a collector of Justine Ménard, and your opinion about selling your pieces of jewelry to upgrade to other pieces of jewelry that you love, like I did with this one. So that's all I have for you guys. I hope you love it. I certainly do. Can't wait to wear it with my cashmere black dress. My name is Jackie Bronx Baubles. I am a jewelry historian from Bronx, New York, and I have been collecting jewelry for over 40 years. I have over 400 books in my jewelry library, all on jewelry, and I go around town and I take you along with me. So if that's what rocks your boat and you're interested in learning about jewelry, symbols, stories, new emerging artists like this one, hit me up and subscribe to my YouTube page and my Instagram account. Leave me a comment. I write back to everyone that leaves me a comment. Let me know what you think about this piece. All right, my amigos, love you. Take care. Bye. And don't forget to to wear your beautiful vintage custom jewelry in good health. Ciao.